Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to become a front-end developer from zero, day 12. I made it to day 12. That's incredible. If you're not familiar with, if this is first time watching this video, I'm basically doing a series where uploading videos of myself learning front end from zero. It's not zero, but you guys know what I mean, from like HTML, CSS, and I'm just gonna build myself up. So what I'm trying to do is I'm uploading every single day, regardless of how I feel, regardless of how my time schedule is, regardless of how I feel, right? It's like I gotta upload either way because that is my ultimate goal. Like in the grand scheme of things, my goal is to become a front-end developer slash full stack. So if you guys don't know, this week has been insane. I've been working a lot, right? So I haven't been able to upload the kind of videos that I want to. But just to give you an idea, I'll have had worked 90 hours this week. 90 hours. So that's actually a new record for me. I've never worked that much before. And it's absolutely insane because the moment I decide to do things like this, that's when I have to, work a lot. I don't have to work, but I want to work, right? I want to get money. And while I'm working, I also want to do, like, the days I'm not working, I want to spend every day just coding, learning HTML, even if it takes me a long time. I'll do it. And also I realized that day 11, if you watch my video, day 11, I was extremely tired. Oh my God. I felt like giving up. So I guess that's what happens to me, right? Like every time I try to do this, I get to a point where I feel like I have a day where I just feel completely tired, like no energy. The vision that I have, right? The vision that I had day one goes away. It just goes away, and it's like, because I know it's gonna take a lot of time. Like, how the heck am I supposed to become a developer if, like, for example, that day, yesterday, day 11, I felt like, I barely have time. I was so tired as well. And just, I had to go to the library to record a video, like, with me coding. So, but today I feel fine, even though I worked today, but I only worked the first job, like one of my jobs. I didn't work both. Sunday, I will be working both, which means that I have to upload a video today that's gonna count as tomorrow because I won't be able to upload tomorrow. I'm literally working 18 hours, so I don't have a chance. And the library is closed. I mean, I technically could, but it's gonna be too much work. So now that I have time, I can upload twice. I mean, I'm not gonna upload twice, but I'm gonna schedule the video to upload tomorrow, and it's gonna count as day 13. If you're watching so far, please comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Before I start, I just want to say, guys, like, I'm doing this for myself. You know what I mean? Like, I don't really care so much about, like, I don't look at the views. I don't look at the subscribers. Because the thing with me is, like, I need to upload every single day to keep myself accountable, right? And when I'm doing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it's like, yeah, I don't plan on doing this forever, right? It's just now, like right now, I'm in the middle of this project, which I should hurry up and finish because I don't want to spend too much time in it. And after this project, I'm thinking of like going to JavaScript, like use projects with more JavaScript, because I need to learn. I don't need to learn, but I need to like code JavaScript a lot, right? That needs to be like the big thing, because that is the I would say that's like the bridge from being a front end developer to becoming a software engineer. And for me, it started with JavaScript. So yeah, guys, that's it. That was the vent. That was the yapping. Let's continue. So I think it's using it as a background image rather than image object. So I think so. Let's try. Let's see the name of this. But yeah, guys, it looks like it's using it as a background image because it's able to control the, like, I'm just gonna try because I think that's the case. I'm not sure though. Let's see. And we need to fix something with that. But yeah, let's see. Why am I typing so bad? So yeah, but I just need, like, why isn't my image showing? Let me see. Is it even coming through? Image. It's not. Oh, it is. It's working. Response 200. So sorry, guys. I should have muted, but let's see. Yeah, so I'm thinking he's doing this. So that, I think that was a top bottom, no, left, right, and then okay, maybe we can do yeah, okay, how do we position it? Position. No, we need to hover here. Okay. So it's not moving at all. I don't know if it's because of the height we've given it. Yeah, I mean, it's not really. Yeah, so I want to like position the image a bit, but I'm not able to do that. We can say background. So I don't know, guys. Oh, I don't like these. Oh, okay. Because I know it's possible, right? But I don't know why it's not working for me. And now it's just not working. So, okay, do we need to adjust the height? Because then it's just gonna show like, let's see, height. So I don't know if I'm gonna go back to image because this is clearly not working. It's not working. Oh, oh my god. What did I just delete? Okay. Yeah, luckily I didn't I deleted the HTML. No, I deleted the CSS. Also, I forgot that we gotta push the changes. I mean, we have to push the things that we did yesterday. So I'm gonna discard this, restore the file, and I'm just gonna add all of those because we need to save or log things that we did yesterday today, right? So git commit add. I mean git add dot git commit updates git push. Okay. So yeah, I'm confused, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna have this because if I have it as background, I am not able to move the image. It's literally showing me like there's probably a way to move it, but I'm not able to do it. I mean, it's not even moving; it's cropping. Yes, cropping. Sorry, I forgot. We need to crop. Is it possible to crop in CSS? Because that's what I need to do. I need to crop the image. This is the modern and most common approach for cropping img elements responsively while maintaining the aspect ratio. Object fit cover. The image is scaled to maintain its aspect ratio while filling elements' entire content box. Any parts of the image that do not fill are object position. Okay, so we need object fit, like the way it's gonna fit, and object position. Yeah, I'm feeling the fatigue now, guys. It's hitting me now because I'm like sat down. I'm like, bah. But it's all good. We are gonna give it a shot. We're gonna give it a shot. So we're gonna do background image. Can't rest until this is done. So, and yeah, I don't know if. We need to. Yeah, I mean it's giving us an error, right? No, it's coming through. Now it's not coming through, so it works. Okay, now we just need to like, I guess we can add border bottom. Okay, so, oh man. Why is the image not coming through? Maybe it's because we haven't. Oh, we need to give it a height, of course. Oh my god. But I gave it like. Okay. So it's basically not doing anything. It's not moving. Wow, I thought I was gonna be able to, but yeah, still tired. But yeah, it's all good. Oh, it's not working, guys. I mean, it's coming through and stuff, but I can't do anything. Even if let's see, I don't know. Just for fun, I'm gonna copy. Yeah, because here it has like a wrapped container, image container, right? I guess that's to like control it, and then you can like scale it like that. But that's not what I need. But yeah, this doesn't work. So we need to like, I mean, I'm gonna have this, but I'm gonna change this to img. Okay, guys, I think I need to take a little break because I am literally like, well. Hey guys, so I actually decided to take a nap because I just noticed myself so tired from all the work. But we're back, and yeah, like the thing is, like I'm dealing with this image because I can set a height to it, right? Maybe it's not refreshing. I'm just gonna test. Okay, it's working. Yeah, like we have the height, but we need the width to be 100%. So when we increase the width, okay, it's kind of working now. Okay, so the height is 608. Okay, there we go. So I don't know what I struggled with before, because I think the issue is this, right? I didn't have object fit cover. Now I have it. So now it's like, so we have it to width 100%, and then we have max width. So we stop it from growing bigger, right? To 19,020 or 1920 pixels. Like that. So, but yeah, we gotta test that. So let's just see. So let's do 2. Yeah. But as you guys can see, it's like going like that. So we need to center it. Margin. It's just a small detail, because like, yeah, nobody like that. So look at that, guys. Now we got it. Now it looks perfect. But where are the nav links though? Oh yeah, I have to. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh, they're displaying none, and we need to display it here. So I think it was here. So we're gonna do nav links display flags. block. We need to do it in the here we have display none. We don't have it here. Okay, we have display none, right? But where is this written? That's my, or maybe is it like, oh, okay. That's something I wrote, right? I don't know. Okay. Okay, I don't know what that was, guys. But okay, we got it. Oh, I see what's happening now. It's a bug. It's a JavaScript bug. Oh my god. I didn't realize, because like when we go here, when we click this, right, we're putting it to display none. But when we go back to, so I need to add a JavaScript function that makes it display flex whenever I go to, like, depending on the screen or something, you know. So yeah, we're gonna do that later anyways. Let's just finish this. So I can't believe I struggled so much with the image, but that's it, right? Use the image as a background image because it's just for decoration, and then we add like height, we import the image, and we have the object cover, right? Because that's gonna cover, it's gonna make it proportional. And yeah, okay. So yeah, let's finish this, guys. So we have to create these. So let's see. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of work, so I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna go like this. As you guys can see, we have like two containers. So I need to wrap them in div containers just to have that little gap. Or I don't need to do that. I can just like, well, it depends on how I have it in mobile. Yeah, I can just have like, give this a class or something. But there's no way I'm writing this. Okay, so I can just copy like that. That's fine. Ventilation. Okay, guys, so while I'm doing this, I can tell you guys a story, right? So at my work, there's like a lady I'm working with, and she's nice. She's like very lovely and everything, but she just talks too much, you know? And it's like, I don't know what to do, because from the moment I start my shift, she just talks and talks and talks and talks, and it's like, I just get so exhausted, you know, like mentally exhausted. That actually makes me more tired than, you know, like the actual work, which is like, it's so unfortunate because let me see, where is this written? Aggregate flooring. Okay, that's the last. Fitness. Am I blind or? There we go. I don't know how I didn't see this. Electronic. But yeah, guys, like, she talks a lot, right? And when she talks a lot, I have to sit there because I can't really move. So I just have to sit there and I just have to like, oh wait, I'm doing something wrong. Okay. So electronic package lockers and stainless steel. Oh, okay, it's two things. But I have to sit there and I have to listen to her, and it's just like, but everyone is complaining about this, right? Not just me. And I don't know. Like, I know she has a lot. All she does is complain. All she does is complain. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, because in my mind I'm like, if there's a problem, you just gotta do your best to solve it. You know what I mean? Like, the life is not fair. It's rough. It's difficult, and but it doesn't help complaining. Like if you're just gonna go to work and you're gonna complain all day, like that's literally all she does. She just goes to work and she uses her job to like complain. So it's like, so it just feels so shit to work with her because. So I think it was day 10. If you watch my day 10 video, you can see that I'm kind of like tired. Okay, you can pretty much see that in most of my videos. But day 10, I think it was the day I was working with her. Oh my god, guys, it was insane. Like, so. But yeah, I try not to complain, guys, right? Like when I do this, like even if it's not perfect or it's the way I want it, I try to not complain because complaining is just not gonna help. Like you can sit there and complain. Essentially, what you're doing is being the victim, right? I don't want to be a victim at all. Like, for example, like now, like I'm trying to become a developer, and I'm like, people are telling me it's hard and stuff like that, and I can sit there and be like, oh, I can feel sorry for myself, but I don't want to do that. I want to like. That's why I tell you guys like I wanna start going to the gym again. I haven't gone to the gym in like a week after because I was supposed to like do it everything, but then they just called me like, oh, one is sick at this job and the other job another person is sick, and I'm like, yeah, but I want money, right? So I said yes to it, but I don't want to complain. You know what I mean? Because I'm the one that put myself in that situation. Because I said yes. I didn't have to say yes. So that's the thing. Okay, so let's see now. We have, let's see, maybe full screen. Yeah, so the reason it's not showing here is because we have removed list styling. I think in here. No, in here. So we shouldn't do that. So I'm gonna just say nav links because that's where I have. And I just want to see if I have. So I'm gonna do margin. Yeah, so it has that button. I just need to move it. So and yeah, this image has an interesting placement. So yeah, we need to add a width to the entire thing, which is going to be 1686. So we're going to target that section there, right? And also it needs to be in the middle. So we're going to do margin max width pixels. Yeah, and obviously we need to add padding to it because yeah. And yeah, we need to position the image here. Totally object position top or bottom. Okay, center. I don't know why. Okay. Maybe background. No repeat. Yeah, maybe we can position it like the percentages. So we can do like something like that. But I still feel like the height, I mean, the height is not right, but at least it looks. So yeah, let's just, because it doesn't look like that, you know. It looks more like 708 because we have like the chair. So yeah, let's just do like that, man. But this looks off, right? Because it's like, again, I'm used to it having like a width, so it doesn't look. But that's what the design does, right? So it's like, okay. Yeah, either way, this has like a. And obviously we need to, let me just see the 24 pixels. So maybe li 14. So let's see, 14 and 24. We can just apply that to style. It should be the same. But yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, I guess we have to add some spacing. So 22 pixels, 24. And why am I designing? I'm violating my own rule. We are supposed to design on the mobile first. So I'm so sorry about that, guys. And also when it comes to mobile, the height is 404. So we need to have like yeah, I mean, you have to have mobile here, or we're gonna add it to style. It doesn't make sense to add it to style. I'm just trying to think, because it's gonna be a big file, right? So we're just gonna keep everything here. So we can just do that. So we can say media screen, and so max width 25 em, something like that. And we can say we can just remove everything. And we can say height to be 400 513 or something. Yeah, it's still very, so it's not, it's actually 180. But as you guys can see, it's too small. But it looks good, right? And then when we go to big, it's like that. So yeah, it looks good. Okay, but yeah, mobile first always. So I don't know why I ignored it, but so yeah, we're gonna move the entire thing here. And we're gonna say 24, 24. So we're just gonna say margin 24 pixels, top, bottom, and 0 pixels. Yeah, I wanna. There we go. We're just gonna have a padding, right? So we're gonna do padding left 1 rem, 2 rem, yeah. So this needs 18 pixels. So we're just gonna say 18 pixels. I don't know why this is though. So it has the same. So we need to have width 330 30 pixels. Yeah, it's kind of like because we want to add like padding too. I mean, that's what it has, right? 40 pixels padding. So it's too small. I mean, it works, but it's just too small. It's too much. So I'm not gonna follow the design 100% because it's a bit weird. You know, like it needs to be. Because if I add max width here, pixels, it's gonna be just too tiny. You know what I mean? So it's like. Can I text align it though? Text align. Oh yeah, this one is actually left. This one is center. So text align left. That looks more correct. And then so that looks better. And now we have issue here. Don't know what that is. Stainless steel. Why is there suddenly like a... I have no idea. that something I've done in it? Okay, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna give this a class of li separator. I'm just gonna call it that. I know it's random, but separator. But yeah, guys, I just want to have a day where I can just like finish this, like just do it more faster. Sometimes I'm like, but then again, I'm like, but this is me documenting my journey, right? And I'm starting with basic stuff, so I don't want to rush it. Yeah, I should start from here, so easy to clean. I don't know why I did the other one, easy to clean. So easy to clean. And 8 pixels down. Margin. Yeah, and also you guys can see it doesn't have the same font. So we're gonna give it Poppins. Oh my god. I need to learn like shortcuts to work faster because this is wait, have I font family? Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna add the image. But now I need to think, right? Because as you guys can see here, so I don't know if I need to like group them together. I probably got to do that. But yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna group this. So I'm gonna group them. Yes, we're gonna group that. So we're gonna go to need to think. Amenities. Oh, look at that. So the image is just gonna have like 24. So we're just gonna give it a margin of 24. So we're gonna go here. So we can just target the image because we have one image there in this section. So look at that. So this looks better now, you know. In the beginning, I was like, "What the actual?" And that's what I'm saying. I look at the design and I'm like, the design is really confusing me. So because on mobile it looks good, but on I just don't like it on. You guys can see here as well, right? So we need to like make some adjustments. Yeah, we can probably, let me see something. We can probably add this to style or custom breakpoint, because it just makes the image too big, right? So on tablet, it's like, let me see. Oh my god. But why isn't this style CSS being applied? Am I like, why don't I have it? Maybe we need to add that here. I don't know. Alright, whatever. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Okay, whatever. We're gonna solve it, guys. I gotta deal with it later. I just gotta do mobile first. Okay. Let's see. So now we're gonna start this section. So we're gonna call this another section. So it's gonna be section pet policy section. And there we're gonna have an, because here I have an H1. That's also an H1, but I don't know if it's a good, like we have two H1s, and I don't know if that's, let me just test. Let me use my wave. I'm gonna wave this. Oh, we're actually missing alternative text. How do I give this an alternative text? Is it through JavaScript? So yeah, 9.4. Okay. I just want to see the error, what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, let's see order. So we have H1. So that's apparently valid, I guess, because that's H1 text, right? But we can have several H1 text, right? I guess. I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys, that looks good. I'm just gonna keep that one there. But yeah, if you guys are watching this point and you are, I could check, but I'm like, I can't be bothered. Okay, let me just, how do I exit this extension? C wave. I don't want to close it, but I want to, maybe I can refresh. Yeah. Okay, anyways, let's construct this. So we have an H1, and then we have a, I don't know what this is. This is a, this could be an H2. I don't know why I said I don't know. It's obvious. Okay. Sorry, guys. My brain is not working today. H1, H2. The reason I was confused is because this seemed bigger than this, I guess. So here we have an unordered list. Yeah, with no bullet points. So we're just gonna do that, and we can just use display flex and then use a gap, and we have li times 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of them have this bold text there. So we're just gonna copy the text first. And as you guys can see, like two of them have like this, a part of the text is strong or bold. So we're gonna have to just wrap that. Just gonna use span. And we're just gonna put that in here. And we're gonna give it a class of bold text. And we're gonna do the same thing here. And then we're gonna have an image. So again, is the image gonna be grouped or not? And grouped, because we have to do this. So we're gonna group them. So pet friendly or pet policy? How am I supposed? Maybe I can see here. Pet policy image. Pet policy. So cats laying on grass. Laying on grass. Okay, look at that. That's so cute, man. Okay, it's not cats. It's a dog and cat. Dog and cat laying, cuddling, or whatever. Okay. And yeah, with it now we already have designed it, so we can just like import it from. That's the thing about when you do web development, right? You don't need to repeat yourself. You can just like copy and paste it. And that is kind of cool. That is kind of cool, not gonna lie. But maybe we should have had like a, yeah, because I'm like, what? It's not working. I'll say here, how do I make it so it goes to, maybe I need to like index.html. Is that gonna work? Yeah, how do I do that? Okay, word it here. And what? Oh, I didn't style the I didn't style the mobile guys on the last I don't know why. I maybe forgot. What in the world is going on? What in the world? What? I thought I did wait. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, I got a bit worried, man. I was like, what in the world? Because I remember doing this, but I think I forgot to. Because I'm like, what the? What? Okay, guys, we're gonna fix that in the next video. I'm kind of confused. Why? I thought I fixed that, right? What? Okay, I don't know what I've done, but Yeah, this is mobile view, and then we have desktop view, right? Where's desktop view? I think I removed desktop view. I don't know. I think I did because everything is inside here, and I'm like, what? But I didn't have desktop design. What? And also the footer is here. The footer should be. It should be like here. Yeah, because we have footer here, but it's like, yeah, it should be like that. So, what in the world? Let me check something, guys. No. That's a good thing about doing that about Git, right? You can see the progress. So let me just go to homepage CSS and so okay, let's see. Yeah, here's desktop view. Why did I delete desktop view? That was perfect. So let me just copy this, I guess. Oh, this. Yeah, I don't know why I did it or what happened. What? Oh, sorry. Why am I saying desktop? I already have desktop. Like desktop is it's fine, right? This is how I want desktop to be. But I don't have mobile view. Mobile view is completely mobile view looks absolute shit. What the hell? Yeah, I even have this column. This is still showing background color. So hero text P. Let's see. Hero text P. So this is coming from, yeah, homepage 125. Okay. So is this in a container or not? Mobile view it is in. So why do I have background color? I shouldn't have that. And position. Oh, what a mess. I didn't pay attention, guys. So, yeah, there we go. This is the issue. But where the hell is the text? Oh, it's hiding here. So yeah, I don't know what I've done. I just maybe I forgot or something. What the hell? Because it says like mobile view, and I've done like that. Doesn't make sense to me. So also the height here is, yeah, this is supposed to be, what the hell? No wonder it looked bad, guys. You know, like we didn't have, well, I was doing this in like, oh my god. Fuck. I realized what I've done. Okay, let me just try to salvage this. How could I do this? Oh my god, guys, this is embarrassing. I thought I had desktop. I don't know what happened to, why did I remove it? I don't know what on the world happened, man. Yeah, so we have to, completely messed up now. Okay. Oh, this is annoying. So why do I have two desktop, bro? What is going on? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, guys. I think there's something wrong with my now it's showing normal again. So I think it's my browser or something. Like, what in the world? Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. This really frustrated me, man. This really frustrated me. I think it's because now things are fine. So I think, or maybe it's when the browser is loading the CSS, there are some bugs, and there are some bugs with JavaScript, I think. So pisses me off a bit because I'm like, wow, bro. Yeah. Sometimes, like when I make videos, I feel like videos are good. Other times, I just feel like they're totally shit. You know, like just absolutely garbage. So, but that's part of the, because I told myself this before I started. I was like, this is part of the learning process, right? Not everything you do is gonna be good. So I think it has to do with the loading or something. I don't know. But yeah, guys, we got this far, and it annoys me because the footer here, right? Footer. We have like two footers. 1, 2, 3. So I think we need this. This needs to go in a fucking. This is also mobile view. So I'm just gonna copy this. Gonna remove this because we just gonna implement the footer here. Right. There we go. My god. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna just finish this next video because I don't want this video to be long and I also don't have much time. Thank you guys for watching me struggle. It wasn't really difficult. I think like I can't even spell. Wow, what the hell, man. Okay. This is just, I could have made it so effortless. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave this in. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.